Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how to display the largest digit of a given number. See, suppose if they have given any number 31875. How can you find the largest digit? By following the simple steps, we can do this. See, initially I am just considering this large is equals to 0. We are just considering 0 is the largest digit. So, parallelly I am writing the code n is equal to any number they can give. This is just I have taken one example. You can take any number or same number. Now, I am taking the variable int large equals to 0. Next, what we are doing? We are getting the digit 5. Sir, how to get the last digit? As we know that simply n mod 10, that we are collecting into last. Int last is equal to n mod 10. Getting the digit. After getting that last digit, then we need to check if this last digit is greater than large or not. Suppose consider if the 5 is greater than 0, store that 5 into 0 place. Nothing but store that last digit into large. This is the main condition. Here we are checking if that last digit is greater than the largest digit what you have considered. Just make this last digit as largest digit. So into large, store that last. Simple one. So once it is completed, yes, working with the 5 is completed. Then remove the digit. How can we remove? N is equals to n by 10. That 5 removed. Now 7 will come. Now again the same story. Look at this. If 7 is greater than 5, yes, it is true. Then store that 7 here. Then again after that the digit will be removed. Next 8 will come. 8 is greater than 7. Then 8 will store. Next one 1. Is it 1 is greater than 8? No. Next 3. Is it 3 is greater than 8? No. Finally, that large variable contains the largest digit. So simply at last, this one you need to place inside the while loop until n is not equal to 0. This loop will repeat until n value is not equals to 0. And we are printing simply system.out.println, that largest digit we are printing. Okay. So hope you understood how to display the last digit in the given number. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.